Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix speaker delay or low audio quality on Google Pixel 10a. So first of all, check your speaker grills that are located at the bottom of your smartphone next to your charging port. They are pretty deep and can easily be clogged with all kinds of dust and debris, so just carefully clean them using a soft brush, maybe a smaller one. We have one right here. So just use a soft brush. Do not use any metallic objects to clean them. Just carefully wipe any kind of dust from inside your device's speaker grills. And oh wow, okay, I think this will be as a decoration now. And if this doesn't help you, then go to settings, and then in settings you should check sound and vibration settings, and first of all make sure that your current media type sound is adjusted to the appropriate value, as well as the audio is playing on the phone speakers. And then scroll down to Spatial audio feature and disable this feature for the phone speakers if you're experiencing audio delay, so that your device doesn't process sound way too long. So basically this will reset the audio processing algorithm, and your phone will emit sounds faster than it would do with the spatial audio enabled. If you're experiencing this feature with while you're speaking on a phone, then you can also try toggling off the clear calling feature. And that's pretty much it. Of course, you can also check system menu in settings, software updates, and make sure that your device is updated, because it's crucial for this kind of things. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.